Hey, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. I'm obsessed with skincare on this channel, but it is my first ever Trendmood unboxing. I finally was able to get my hands on one of these Trendmood boxes, and I am so super duper excited. This is the box that they collaborated with First Aid Beauty on, and I have never used anything from First Aid Beauty, but you guys know I am a skincare junkie. So when I found out that they were collaborating with a skincare brand that I've never used, I was like, yes, I must have that box. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, see what's in here, and then we're going to try everything on. And those are all of the products inside. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I have is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. It looks like that. And this looks like it's just basically like a moisturizer. And even though First Aid Beauty is geared towards like dry skin, I feel like with my skin being oily, I could definitely use these products right now, because in the spring, summer months, my skin is definitely more on the drier side. So I'm really excited to see how this wears on my face and see how I like it. So this is how it looks like outside of the packaging. And then that is the inside. So it looks really moussey. It doesn't really have a smell. It feels really good. Oh, it feels really smooth and creamy on the skin. And I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I definitely feel like this hand, looking at it for sure, definitely looks more supple and hydrated than this hand that doesn't have anything on it. So I am definitely excited to put this on my face. What came in here is the Fab Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Skin Protectant. And so this is supposed to obviously hydrate your skin. And so you open it up and it looks like that. So it says that it's to help with like dry spots, itching due to eczema and other conditions, which I would actually love to see how this works on like my body skin, because I feel like my body skin is definitely drier than my face. So I may try this on my body and then try this moisturizer on my face. Next thing that came in the box is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It looks like that. And so this is a it's an exfoliant, but it says that it is basically going to give you the effect of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. So that's really cool. So basically you apply it onto wet skin, massage over problem areas, rinse and follow with moisturizer. So it looks like you could definitely use this on your face. But it says it's a body scrub, so it looks like you could use it on your body as well. So definitely excited about using that. Okay, so this is the whole reason that I wanted this box in the first place, because I really wanted to try this. So this is the Facial Radiance Pads. You guys know I like toner. Like, I'm definitely somebody that tones my face twice a day. But ever since I used the Elemis pads, I'm kind of like really feeling like pads versus a toner, because the product is already on there. You just pull it out of the tub and it's already done for you. So I do like that. So these pads are supposed to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And they just look like that. So they do kind of have a alcohol-y kind of smell, but not really overpowering. So definitely excited to use that. And then The last thing that came in here is their Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Antioxidant Booster. Looks like that. And this says it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, and it's safe for sensitive skin. So yes, I'm thinking I may save the body scrub for the shower because I don't want to use the cleanser and exfoliate at the same time. I feel like that's going to be too much on my face. So I think for this, for the demo itself, I'm just going to use the cleanser, the pads, and the moisturizer. And then I'll come back on here after I take my shower and everything, and I'll let you guys know how I liked the body scrub and then the Ultra Repair Cream, because I'll probably use that on my body skin. But for now, let's go ahead and get into the demo. I can definitely say my skin looks very clean. My skin does look a little bit brighter and it feels really, really soft. So first impressions, I really do like this cleanser. I feel like it does a really great job of getting into the pores, getting all the dirt and grime and everything out. So this is something that I would definitely continue to use. It looks like that cleanser really got my skin clean because it was like nothing on this pad. So that's definitely a good sign. First impressions on the pads, I like it. I can definitely tell that there's product on my skin. It has a slight tingly sensation, but it's not like really strong or uncomfortable or anything. My skin definitely doesn't feel like my pores are like pulling or tight or anything. It just feels really good. Like I can just tell that I got like a deeper clean to my skin. So definitely feeling these. That I'm going to use right now is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream, the moisturizer. Use about that much to start. See what this does. I'll do a little bit more for the rest of my face. All right, so I honestly really did like this. It feels really, my skin feels really smooth, hydrated. My skin definitely has moisture and hydration in it, but it doesn't look greasy or glowy, which is definitely what I'm looking for because like I said earlier, I do have really, really oily skin. So I want skin products that give me that nice, healthy, you know, glow look, but not like greasy, you know what I'm saying? So this moisturizer is most definitely a go. I will definitely continue to use this.